Hello guys, today we'll discuss about DAC 2000 from Parasound Ultra Digital Analog Converter. It's a unit which is running around ultra analog DAC D20400A dual 20 byte audio DAC. It's made in USA. And this is how it looks inside. Two transformers, toroidal transformers. So here is the power mains, fuse transformers, bridge rectifiers here, and the capacitors, power banks, and of course the regulating transistors. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transistors, power regulating transistors on power supply circuit. So this section here is for power supply. On this section I replaced the main filter capacitors, and these are here. These are the olds, are from Panasonic, 2200 microfarads, 50 volts on 85 degrees, and I replaced with this Nichicon PW, and the value is 2200, the capacitance, and the voltage I choose one step bigger, and it's 2200 on 63 degrees, and of course 105 degrees Celsius. Yeah, these are here, and also are two kinds more of capacitors. This for power supply, it's one model, and it's 100 microfarads, 50 volts is this one from my hand here. Yeah, also this which I replaced with Nichicon PW, also 105 degrees Celsius, and the voltage and the capacitance it's same, because everything what is here it's after the power supply regulation section, and the maximum voltage here is plus minus 15, so plus and minus 15, and these capacitors are for 50 degrees, so it's not any problem. And the rest, yes, the rest are for 47 microfarads on 50 volts. You see if it's focused, 47 microfarads on 50 volts. But these capacitors which I install now are physically bigger than the originals. You see, you can see. And the voltage and the capacitance, it's the same. So this is about capacitors. And of course, because I did this, let's say, maintenance for future, for better performance of this unit, and for to keep lasting more, I replace also the relays, because somebody before opens this relays, and this is how it looks. One relay, this one, it's from Hasco, it's 12 volts DC, it's sensitive relay, it looks like that. Okay, I replace with relays from Omron. I will show you in a moment, but let's talk a little bit about these relays. So these relays are 1, 2, 3 are connected for inputs. So no, this and this are for inputs, optical, Toslink, IS, EBU, and coaxial. And when you press the input buttons, the relays, they are changing the inputs. After that we have the processors, which they are controlling the position of the relays, indication lamps on the front. After that we have this processor here, which is taking action about which is sampling the signal, and it's showing the frequency here on the front. HDCD is this IC here, which is taking about that light, and of course the demodulation of that signal. And usually the signal is passing the connectors, is going through the relays. After that each designated IC for each input. He is modulating the sound. The sound is coming on this jitter, ultra low jitter, C003 AES21. It's going on this IC, after that on this one, and the last one which he is passing is of course the DAC. And this DAC is creating the audio sound, yes, the audio frequency. And the audio frequency is split in left and right, and after that for left and right you have of course balanced outputs and the RCA outputs. Yeah, for coaxial you need 2 pairs of transistors for each side, and for RCA you need only one side. Okay, and you have also the muting before output of audio frequency. You have this, there are other 2 relays, the last 2, which they are taking care about muting the sound. So when you are powering up the unit, the time it's counting inside by a RLC or RC. Usually it's RC circuit, and after the time it's elapsing, the capacitor is charged, the relays are engaged, and the sound is passing through the connections. So this is how it looks, this DAC DAC 2000. It's really nice. It's from Parasound. It's well built, and it looks like that on you see, it's only one main power board. Are also two boards here on the front, but are only for push buttons and indicators. For this unit you cannot use the remote control. It's simple, and this is how it looks inside. I will make now a close-up to be much more visible. About the relays, I will put now the camera to see the models. Of course are sensitive, because they said to be sensitive. I mean the olds are sensitive. Okay, so here how it looks. Here is the audio section, audio frequency section. And then here are all the ICs and the DACs and jitter, transformers, power banks, full bridge rectifiers, and the power transistors, power regulator transistors. It's plus and minus 5 and plus and minus 15 volts. These are the voltages which are delivered by these transistors. So if you like this kind of videos, don't hesitate to touch the like button, thumb up, share with others if you're considering it's necessary also other persons to see this kind of videos. Leave comments if you want to see something else, or if you want to have some more information about this. And stay tuned, because every second day new video it's ready to be visible for you. Okay, good luck, stay close, and pay attention for everything that you are doing under the cover of these gears. Good luck. Cheers.